Tips that can help you get the right landed property in Singapore. Renting a landed property in Singapore can be a great way to enjoy a more spacious and secure lifestyle. However, it is important for the renters or buyers to keep few things in mind. 1. Researching the area thoroughly is important, as it can help identify any potential issues and ensure that the property is suitable for the tenant's needs. Also, by researching the area, home buyers can get a sense of the local amenities, schools, and transportation options. 2. Understanding one's rights is also important, as this can help protect the tenant and ensure that the property is up to code. 3. Lastly, it is important to know one's responsibilities and to make sure that the property is properly maintained. To make sure that you get the best rental experience possible, it is important to research the area, understand your rights, and know your responsibilities. With careful consideration and preparation, renting a landed property in Singapore can be a great decision and a great investment. By staying informed and taking the necessary precautions, renters can make the most of their landed property experience in Singapore.